You're eating less than you did in your 30s, but your belly won't budge. By 3 p.m., you're drained. By 9 p.m., you're standing in front of the pantry thinking, why am I still this hungry when I barely ate today? Here's the part almost no one tells women over 50. It's not that you're eating too much. It's that your meals are too weak to flip your body's protein signal. Most women in this stage average 8 to 12 grams of protein per meal, but your muscles often need about 25 to 35 grams in one sitting to switch on repair. Below that, the message never lands. Muscle shrinks quietly. Metabolism slows quietly. Cravings get louder. In the next few minutes, I'll show you 5 low-calorie, high-protein meals that quietly hit that 25 to 35 gram zone, and why the last one is the key to stopping 9 p.m. snack attacks. Sound familiar? Stay with me. Let me paint the pattern. Light breakfast, quick lunch, normal dinner, then the late-night raid. That's not a discipline problem. That's a missing protein signal problem. Meal number 1. Why your healthy breakfast keeps you hungry. Greek yogurt protein bowl. 3/4 to 1 cup high-protein Greek yogurt. Add berries, chia, and a scoop of protein powder if needed. Real life. Oatmeal at 8 a.m., starving by 10:30. Protein slows stomach emptying and triggers fullness signals in your gut. Translation: your brain stops scanning for snacks, but breakfast alone won't save you if lunch stays weak. Meal number 2. The salad that finally counts. Chicken crunch salad, big bowl of greens. 3 to 4 ounces grilled chicken. Crunchy veggies. Light dressing. Real life. You eat a salad, and an hour later, you're hunting for crackers. That's usually low protein plus sneaky extras. The trap? Dressing, nuts, and cheese can quietly add 300 calories. Keep the crunch from veggies, not handfuls. And this is where the next mistake shows up. Meal number 3. The snack plate that behaves like a meal. Cottage cheese power plate. About 1 cup cottage cheese. Add cucumber, cherry tomatoes, maybe a few whole grain crackers. It feels light, it feels snacky. But protein-wise, it acts like a full meal. Quick question. Do you snack more when food is easy to nibble? Exactly. This plate hits the signal so you don't keep circling the kitchen. Now here's the dinner rule most women miss. Meal number 4. The dinner order that changes everything. Salmon and veggie heap. 3 to 4 ounces salmon. Big pile of roasted or steamed vegetables. Flip the order. Eat protein first, vegetables second, starch last. Here's the contradiction. A light dinner often creates a heavy night. When protein is too low, your body still wants what it didn't get. That's why belly fat won't budge even when you're doing everything right. And this last one is subtle, but powerful. Meal number 5. The protein signal. Most women never hit egg and egg white skillet. 1 to 2 whole eggs plus extra egg whites. Spinach, peppers, onions. Think of protein like a door code. Too little, and the muscle door stays locked. Hit the code and your body switches gears. Here's what happens step by step. First, your gut releases fullness hormones that calm hunger. Second, your muscles receive the amino acids that flip on repair. Third, when repair turns on, your brain stops sounding the alarm. So cravings don't spike at night. Most women undereat protein at the meal right before their snack window. That's why 9 p.m. feels automatic. If each meal lands in that 25 to 35 gram range, your body finally feels fed where it matters. My favorite reminder is simple. Your body doesn't ignore effort. It responds to signals. Quick recap. 1. Greek yogurt protein bowl. 2. Chicken crunch salad. 3. Cottage cheese power plate. 4. Salmon with veggies. Protein first. 5. Egg and egg white skillet. Nothing is wrong with you. It's responding to the signals you send. And in the next video, I'll show you 3 healthy snacks that secretly weaken this protein signal, and the easy swaps that keep cravings quiet without eating more.